I'll give you a little free entertainment. It goes something like this. You know, I was in Saudi Arabia recently, and I found, you know, everybody's very style conscious. I don't know why. But, you know, we think about Muslims should be like, last thing in your mind is worrying about how your clothes look and things like that. But people of the Gulf, they're just like everybody else. They want to look nice, show off. And so that's why I'm wearing this outfit tonight. This bisht, as they call it. You see it, how it fits like this? Now I'm going to take this off and show you. Watch closely. See this? This is called what? Huh? Ghutra? Now you can put the igal, and this is real classy. But for the poor guy, he doesn't have igal. He can just go like this. Huh? Huh? It's good. He can also wrap around with it like this. Is that good? Like it? Huh. Thank you. I got excited, huh? Okay, now, see this? Looks good, huh? It's talent, man. But then what about the kids? They don't want to, that's old man stuff. So the kid said, you know what, Dad? Just let me have one of these. And when it's time for Salah, it's easy. Mafi mushkila. I got to tell you that it's been a lot of fun. As we say, it's been a real hoot. And no worries. G'day, mate. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.